Growing coffee for family consumption on a small scale begins with a simple goal: producing your own coffee at home with care, patience, and attention to every step. Unlike large commercial plantations, the focus here is not high volume, but quality, self-sufficiency, and connection to the land. Even with limited space, it is possible to cultivate healthy coffee plants and harvest enough beans to supply your household throughout the year. The process starts with choosing the right location. Coffee plants need good sunlight, but they also benefit from some protection during the hottest part of the day. A backyard, a small homestead area, or even a few well-spaced rows along a fence line can be enough. The soil must drain well, since standing water around the roots can damage the plant. Slightly sloped ground helps natural water runoff and prevents waterlogging. Before planting, careful soil preparation is essential. First, clear the area by removing weeds, stones, and debris. Then loosen the soil using a hoe or shovel, allowing roots to grow deeply and easily. Coffee prefers slightly acidic soil that is rich in organic matter. Adding compost, well-aged manure, or worm castings improves fertility and strengthens young plants. This simple preparation creates a healthy foundation for long-term growth. Seedlings can be grown at home from ripe coffee cherries or purchased from a reliable nursery. If starting from seed, select fully ripe red cherries, remove the pulp, wash the beans, and plant them in containers filled with rich, well-draining soil. Germination takes time, and the young plants should remain in partial shade during the first months. Once they reach about 8 to 12 inches in height and develop strong green leaves, they are ready to be transplanted to their permanent location. When planting in the ground, space each plant about 6 feet apart to allow airflow and room for growth. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball, add organic matter to the bottom, and gently mix it with the soil. Place the seedling carefully, keeping the base of the stem level with the soil surface. Firm the soil around the plant and water thoroughly. During the first months after transplanting, consistent watering is crucial, especially in dry periods. The soil should remain moist but never soaked. Applying mulch, such as dry leaves or straw, around the base helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and reduce weed growth. This simple practice makes maintenance easier and supports healthy root development. As the plant grows, regular observation becomes important. Light pruning helps shape the coffee plant and encourages strong lateral branches, which will later produce fruit. Every few months, enrich the soil with additional compost to maintain balanced nutrition. Organic feeding in small amounts keeps the plant healthy without overwhelming it. Coffee plants grown for family use typically begin producing within 2 to 3 years. The first blossoms appear as small, fragrant white flowers. After flowering, green cherries begin to form, slowly maturing over several months. As they ripen, the cherries turn bright red, signaling the ideal harvest time. Harvesting on a small scale is done by hand, selecting only the ripe cherries. This careful picking ensures better flavor and quality. After harvesting, the cherries can either be pulped manually or dried whole in the sun. For natural drying, spread them on a clean surface in a thin layer, turning them daily to ensure even drying. Depending on the weather, this process may take several weeks. Once fully dried, the beans can be stored in a dry, well-ventilated place while still in their protective outer layer. Roasting can be done at home in small batches using simple tools and careful heat control. Grinding the beans just before brewing preserves their aroma and flavor. In the end, small-scale coffee growing for family consumption becomes more than just producing beans. It represents independence, patience, and dedication to homegrown food. From soil preparation to harvest and roasting, each step strengthens the connection between the family and the land. Even on a small scale, homegrown coffee carries deep meaning, transforming daily coffee into the result of care, time, and hands-on effort.